All right, just landed in Orlando. Gonna try to get to the yacht basin as quickly as I can.
Clear doors and hold on to the handrails. The shuttle will be departing momentarily for the main terminal. You will be arriving on the 3rd level of the main terminal building. Baggage claim is on level 2.
Hello, this is Orlando to Airplane Dock. If you're a resident of Central Florida, you want to welcome you home. If you're a visitor, welcome to the city. Orlando safety sponsorship help welcome to Papa. Not only at world-class departure attractions, but all of our competition, our restaurant companies, of course our parks and culture. We're glad that you are here and we hope to enjoy Orlando experience.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails.
My luggage is not here yet, but I'm like the first one here, so. Awesome, I got my luggage, got my toolkit, I got my flippers and my spear gun and diving stuff, and just waiting on a lift now. Okay, we're here at Little Galley. This here's the marina. And the boat's down at the other end. Looks like a nice place, nice area. Let's go look at the boat. It's dry. A little tiny bit of moisture down there, but otherwise very dry. The whole thing kind of tore out here. Pulled the batteries out. Pulling out all the panels to do inspections. Go through the galley here into the main cabin. Trying to keep it cool. So it's about 7:39 a.m. I'm here at a hotel in Melbourne, Florida. I went to the boat yesterday. It's definitely a project, but I decided to buy it. So I stayed in a hotel here. The seller is in a hotel like a block down. So we've been kind of hanging out together, and he's got a car and he's here all week, so he's gonna help me get the boat ready. Today we're gonna go to the courthouse and get the documents for the boat because it's an estate sale, and then we're gonna go take the batteries. The batteries are under warranty, they're dead, so we're gonna take the batteries back and then see if we can get this thing fired up. Yeah, let's do it. I'm walking over to Dunkin' Donuts to meet the seller. We're gonna get some coffee. We're gonna get some coffee. Basically, every single inch of this boat is gonna get cleaned. So I'm gonna disinfect every single little corner on this boat. because basically this is my home for the next who knows how long. I'm spending a lot of time on this boat. I want to make sure everything's clean. I don't want to find some surprise 6 months from now. And I'm really just scrubbing everything down with like Dawn dish detergent and water. I don't want to get too crazy with chemicals. I just need the detergent to break down any you know, like organic material, grease and stuff like that. Like this, all right, and then you reach in there. So that's pretty old. I'm gonna clean it out, dial it in, and then I'll repaint it too. Okay, so I think the fridge is pretty much clean until we do a full restoration where we paint it. So put our cold water in there, and I'm not really putting any other stuff in there yet, but I could if I wanted to. Well, I'll put another jug of water. And there we go. Oh, I lied, I'm gonna keep a V8 in there. Okay, and that's the ice box right there. Okay. So that's clean, and now on to the next project. Sweating like a fucking stuck pig. Just working on cleaning my galley over there. I just finished, so now I'm over here cleaning. This is the main salon in here where I'm at, so I got to clean the settee, and then all that. There's the head in there. There's another cabin back there you can walk through to get to. This is the front V berth. Everything's kind of a mess because I'm getting organized and pulling shit out, but that's it. And then you go up here upstairs into the cockpit. Yeah, so that's it for now. Okay, so I'm here in the main saloon of the boat, and I'm cleaning out this area here, and right there is my water tank, and underneath there, and so I'm pulling out this board that is basically a settee or couch, and it's like the base of it. And as I lift it up, underneath, look at all that dirt. That's like 20 years of living on the boat. I gotta get under there and clean all that out. This is just one section. And so I've already spent about an hour and a half scrubbing this area. And that will probably, this underneath there is probably gonna take me another hour, hour and a half. So I wanna get it real clean. I don't mind it being old, but it's gotta be clean. So this is my my project for the day. I got a fan going here, and it's like, man, it is hot in here. So I'm sweating and cleaning. Gross. But if you like fat bellies and cleaning nasty shit, this is definitely the video for you. Look at that, that's nasty. That shit is brown. Okay, I'm gonna wipe the big chunks up a couple more times and change the water. Do this whole thing again. Leads to another. You start tugging on something. Next thing you know, all this stuff. There's a seam here, and now this stuff's all gonna come out too. Oh yeah, there it goes. This stuff. Luckily I have some more paintable caulk I'm gonna repair it with. But all that gotta come out and be replaced. You see this healthy glow I've got? Just sweating in here. It's super hot, but you know, there's a lot of work to be done until I can get the air conditioner. That's what I'm doing. Boat life.